Included components: Dart 12J 12-ounce capacity, 3.5 top and 2.1 bottom diameter, 4.4 height, white insulated foam cup, 40 packs of 25. From piping hot coffee to refreshingly cold soda, keep your drinks at exactly the right temperature while on the go. But don't worry, these insulated cups are comfortable to hold no matter what's inside. Enjoy or serve 12 ounces of coffee, cappuccino, tea, hot chocolate, juice, cider or soda with confidence. The one-piece design means you don't have to worry about leaks. These dual-use cups save space and time, so they're perfect for use at home, in coffee shops, at events, or at the office. A variety of lids for hot and cold beverages are available, but sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect cups. Cups are perfect. I love foam cups. They do exactly what I need from a cup. A few more than I normally purchase, which is okay and at a great price. Thank you. Doug.